Number 1. Athlife Universal Socket Wrench Set.
Perfect for automobile industry, home maintenance, manufacturing, construction, and other industries. Also favored by home decoration DIY design enthusiasts. Suitable for all types of nut bolts, rings bolts, square nuts, rotating hooks, hexagons, wing nuts, broken nuts. Equipped with a portable EDA bag with a handle so that you can take them anywhere. For your convenience, it also comes with a 3/8 inch ratchet wrench and 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch adapter for you. Just take this one tool kit can replace the whole set, saving time and energy for you.
Number 2. 9-in-1 Multi-Tool Pen. The multi-tool pen is equipped with 9 useful functions: bright LED light, precision ruler, bubble level, bottle opener, phone holder, stylus, ballpoint pen, 2-head screwdriver. The tool pen integrates multiple functions into one, making your work easier. Number 3. RAK Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool. Easily retrieve dropped items such as nuts, bolts, nails, and screws with magnetic tool. It also features a strong magnetic base for hands-free use when placed on a metallic surface. Number 4. Wesley Multi-Tool 15-in-1 Survival Gear. For unique screwdriver functions put into the top magnet hole, 15 powerful functions to meet your needs. The side tool will lock itself when open to 180 degrees, making it safer to use. Press the lock button to put away the gadget. The length and width are only 5.8 and 2.95 inches, and the 310-gram multifunction hammer is super small and light in your hand. It is a good multifunctional tool for traveling or camping. Number 5. Perigo Snowflake Multi-Tools. Snowflake multi-tools include 20 different tools: keychain, Phillips screw drive, bottle opener, wire cutter, slotted screwdriver and box cutter, 5mm square head wrench, 15 to 17mm ring spanner, 4 to 10mm end wrench, 3 to 8mm Allen wrench. The Snowflake's multifunction tool integrates all utility tools into one. You no longer need the large toolbox. Easy to use and easy to carry. More than 20 types of fun usages for you to discover.
Number 6. 9-in-1 Multi-Tool Pen Tactical Pen. It combines the tools often used in life: LED flashlight, stylus, touchscreen pen, ruler, inch and centimeter, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, bubble level, pen clip. It's all hidden in a sleek, streamlined body that easily clips into your pocket. This all-in-one men's gadget is super portable and practical, a unique Christmas stocking stuffing gift for men, dads, grandpas, boyfriends. Number 7. Survival Gear and Equipment 12-in-1 Survival Kits. 12-in-1 Emergency Survival Kit contains wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency blanket, flintstone scraper, flashlight, credit card, multi-use spoon fork, and waterproof box. This camping accessories is the perfect companion to help keep you safe and have peace of mind while you're hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, backpacking, travel or adventures. Number 8. Multi-tool pocket knife. It has 9 functions: knife with safety lock, screwdriver bit set, pliers, bottle opener, and can opener. The pocket knife is the ideal stocking stuffers for men or men's gifts for Christmas, which are suitable for different life scenarios. Number 9. 12 pieces 1.5-inch tape measure keychains. The measure keychains can measure up to 3 feet, 1 meter, have a stable slide lock that holds the measuring securely in position, retract smoothly whenever you release the lock, and comfortably fit in the hand. Number 10. Mini Ratcheting 90-degree Offset Screwdriver Bit Set. Hillman Mini Ratchet Right Angle Drill is only 3.88-inch long, 0.25-inch thick, and small enough to reach limited places where a traditional Torx wrench or regular and stubby screwdriver cannot. The multiple bits, low profile, and ratcheting action makes Hillman's small screwdriver drill bit set very useful for jobs around the house, like sewing machines or computer repairs, assembling blinds, doorknobs, shelves, and furniture.